Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the announcement of a new build for 19H1. Just a couple of minutes ago released is build 18361, as we're marching on to the final April 2019 update RTM, soon to be here. So 18361 just released a few minutes ago for Fast Ring Insiders. We're expecting this, and of course this is one of possibly two builds this week. So, you know, we're marching into the builds, and I know that some of you are a little annoyed at how fast the build are going, but this is, you know, the way it goes when we get closer and closer to what is a release, an official release. There's a lot of these that are released because they do test them out. So of course I started the install on my Insider machine. It's going on right now. I will have a quick look and review later today of this build. It probably won't include any new features, as you know, there's mostly bug fixes that's happening right now, but this is okay. We'll be looking at some of the new stuff. Actually, I might be checking and comparing some of the differences from the October 2018 update and the next version. See what you know, what looks different actually, and will it be? We'll kind of look at, will it be different to a point where people, you know, are always scared of changes and of not really knowing what to do. I think that's what we're going to look at today a little bit as we're getting closer and closer to RTM. Like I said, it's not time yet to remove yourself from the Insider program. You know, hang on, there's going to be still probably a few builds, and then at some point I'll tell you if you want to remove yourself, that'll be the time. It's very close. We're not that far away. So my review coming up later today. Just head on to your Insider previews, go into the Windows updates, and make sure that your Insider program is still working. Some people lost these settings at 18356, and Microsoft has said that you should actually be checking your settings for that, because if you don't see anything happening, that's what's happening, is that you might actually be out of the program temporarily. It's kind of something that happened that they didn't mention. So no worries, just reactivate the fast ring builds, and you should be okay for this new build. And don't forget that build 18356 is in the slow ring. They've cumulative update for it, so it's 18356.16. There's probably a cumulative update for you guys in the slow ring to check out before you move on probably to a next build of slow ring. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.